Okay, so if you want to draw this type of drawings in any type of software and you don't want to use the zoom, here's what you can do. Let me just first erase all of this. First, you need to go to your Chrome or any browser and search for Epic Pen, and then you can just go to this website called Epic Pen. Here, you need to click on download now. Then download Epic Pen. Don't click anywhere here, just click on download for Windows and it will start your download. Then you have to double click on it and it will take some seconds. It's not really that long of a process. It just takes like, I think it takes 10 seconds or something, and like to less because the video isn't that long. Then you have to say yes when it asks for do you want to allow this app to make changes on your device. Then select English or any language you want. Okay. And here one important thing, you need to untick this option, otherwise it just starts at the Windows and drains a lot of RAM. Don't click on this option for these reasons of like the privacy reasons, and then you have to click on I accept the agreement, then next, install, and it just takes less than 5 seconds to install. It's really quick. And after it's installed, what you can do is it just gets available to your PC, but it's yeah. Here's the one. Here's the catch. You don't want to click on here anywhere. What you want to click on is I don't want to use Epic Pen Pro for now right now. So let's say you've done that, and the question comes that where does it shows up? Because sometimes it won't show up on your desktop. I can try to search here for E. It's not available here. What you can do is go to search here or just press Windows on your keyboard, Windows key, and search for Epic. What you can do now is right click on it and select it as pin to start. And what that, sorry, not pin to start actually, pin to taskbar. So you can be able to see the Epic Pen right over here. And when you open it, it will look something like this. Here you can just use the pen here. You can change the colors. For example, I want, you can actually see the options here. I want the black color. I can select that. Or you can just go to setting and you can change some shortcuts like the cursor, pencil, highlighter. It has highlighter as well. So yeah, it's really helpful. And then you can just choose to delete clear screen. Just press Shift 3, clears up the whole screen. And to minimize it, click on this eye icon. And that's it for this video. If you like it and enjoy the video, make sure that you hit that subscribe button and hit the like and share it with a friend who might need it. See you in the next one.